Alright, hello everyone. Okay, welcome back. Alright, so today we'll be doing P5 math. Okay, so the focus for today will be area and perimeter. Okay, there will be a bit of money questions. Okay, and the last two are fractions and some another money question on problem sums. Okay. Alright. Okay, all the best Dila. Okay. Practice more Dila, okay? And read up more lah. Alright. So the game pin for today is 107506. Okay? Your SFP never balance. 3,000 difference. Hopefully they give marks for your records lah. Okay, not just for the balance. Okay. Alright, practice more lah, your double entry and all that. Alright, okay, so welcome back everyone. Okay, for those who are here, alright, do help to share this live so that more users or more viewers can come in and join the Kahoot, okay? Alright, okay, the game pin is 107506. Okay, we'll begin in about 10 more minutes. So in the meantime, do share it around, okay? At the same time also follow us if you are new, okay? Follow us and then also give us the likes. Alright, okay, so for today, right, the area of rectangle part I think P4 can do, okay? There is a factor question, alright, but for now we are just focusing on the P5 math, okay, where there's a mix of P4 questions and also P5 questions, okay? Alright, okay, come, help us share the live, okay, share the live and then also give us the likes, okay, tap your screen. Okay, for those who are new, my name is Coach Mo, I am from MasterMath, okay, so what we do is, we are an education center providing education services for primary school kids and secondary school kids, okay? So from P1 to PSLE and also from Sec 1 all the way to that for their O levels. Alright, we also have classes for science, okay? Science right now is only for primary school, okay? And also there is an option for PSLE English, okay? So English right now is just for PSLE students only. Alright, yes, for today we'll be doing P5 math, okay, and the game pin for today is 107506. Okay, in the meantime, do help us share this live, okay? For those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Okay, come on in to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Okay, we'll begin in about 8 more minutes like that. Okay, so in the meantime, do help us to share, okay, and also give us the likes. Why 8? The paper is not in Telegram, is it? Okay, if it's not yet, probably will go in after this. Okay, yeah, hold on a while. Okay, but I did kind of done the paper already. I'm not sure why they haven't uploaded that yet. No, it's not PSLE questions, it's P5 questions. Okay, no worries. After this live, I will check for you guys. Okay, then probably you will see both the worksheet and the solutions after the live. Okay. Okay, the game pin is 107506. Okay, hold on a while, let more people join now, okay? And hopefully no bots today. Okay, right now we are at 19. Okay, you can go for more. Okay, in the meantime, do help us to share this live. Alright, like your classmates. There will be 2, I think, Dila. Yeah. Okay, so help us share with your classmates. If you've got your like friends WhatsApp group, okay, do help us to share in there. Okay, I'll begin in about 7 minutes. Okay. Alright, those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Alright, for calculator, maybe the last 2 questions. Okay? Yeah, hopefully lah, Dila. Alright, those who are in here and not yet in the Kahoot, do go to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Okay, the game pin for today is 107506. Okay, we'll begin in about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Alright, do help us share this live. Okay, and spam the like button. Okay, if you're new, do follow us. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, those who are here, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Alright. Oh yeah, tomorrow public holiday, right? Okay, is everyone excited for the day off? Then those who are in school, you will be having another school holiday on Monday, right? Very good, very good. Okay, for those working like myself, I will have tomorrow. The Monday one is like a given where I can take another time. Tomorrow I cannot. Tomorrow I got something on. Yeah. Alright, 4 more minutes. Okay, those who are here, do help us share this live, okay? Oh, next Monday you got a test? Oh, I thought it's supposed to be like school holiday for everyone in school. Okay, 3 more minutes, okay? Maybe some schools are allowed to like shift the holiday to another day, probably. Alright, those who are going for the sports carnival tomorrow, enjoy yourself, okay? And also be safe. Alright, don't be so rough on each other, that kind. Okay, and really enjoy yourself, alright? Dila, maybe you see if you got anyone from MasterMaths that recognize you, then you can say that you are the friend of that person. Oh, Idris, you also got exam next week, eh? Okay, 2 more minutes, I'll begin. Okay, in the meantime, do help us share this live. Okay, anyone from P4, P5, P6 or secondary also can join the live, okay? If you are P3, you want to give it a chance, why not? Okay, so the winner for today will be getting a $10 popular voucher. Alright. Okay, very good. Come on in. 1 more minute, I'll begin. The topic for today is what's it called? The area and perimeter, and a bit of fractions and money also. Oh, okay. You got from the other live also, is it, Idris? Here comes the board. Wow, why so many? Okay, in the meantime, just join. It's at 107506. I think I'll just begin and then they will just exit later lah. Yeah, year 2 poly also can join, okay? Like, recap on your primary school math. Go away, bots. Alright, I'll begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyone else joining? Alright, let's go. Let's test the maths of these bots that join. See how well are they. Alright. Okay, if anyone else is joining, I give you all about 30 more seconds. Anyone else joining? Tung Tung Sahur. You say you are joining, right? Come, quickly join. If not, later you miss the first question. The first question, one of the easiest question to get points. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wait, the game pin is 107506. Game pin is 107506. Game pin is 107506. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What is the factor of 16 and 32? Factor of 16 and 32. Okay. Which numbers here are factors of 16 and 32? Okay, you can still see the game pin on top here, 107506, in case any of you wants to join. Alright, come on in, come on in. Maybe the pink color one. Okay. Alright, very good. 47 of you got it correct. Good job, good job. Okay. So yes, because one factors of 16 and 32. Okay, so it has to be 8. Okay, 7 is not. 6 is not. Okay, oh yeah, there's 2 6 there also. Okay, I suppose we put 8765, but I suddenly put 8766. Okay, but yeah. Basically not supposed to be the rest, but supposed to be 8. Okay, none of the bots are here, so that's good. Okay, and then we got 988 as the top scorer right now. Okay, and then we got Gentle Quill, and the fifth position now is at 979. Okay. Okay, Sec 3 still can do that ladder method to find the factor. Alright, which of the following are the length and breadth of a rectangle with an area of 63 cm square? Which one? Okay, is it 9 and 5? Is it 9 and 7? Is it 7 and 8? Or is it 8 and 5? Okay, which one? Okay, 30 more seconds. Are you sure that's the answer, Yoshi? Or is it something else? Or could be 7 and 8? Or is it 8 and 5? Which one? Or you are talking about my shirt, is it? Blue color. The Kentut master is asking, green is it? Oh, you're talking about my shirt, blue color? Yes, correct. The answer is blue, because 9 times 7 is 63. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention for those who were not in yesterday's live, right? Basically, what I'm trying out is to follow the format of what you all had for the PSLE live, right? Where we go through the solutions at the end. That's why you never see the solutions page. Alright? So stay on till the end and we'll go through the solutions together at the end. Alright, we got the desert rooster and the polite panther very close to each other. Let's see the next question. Which of the following are the height and base of a triangle with an area of 42 cm square? Which of the following are the height and base of a triangle with an area of 42 cm square? Because remember, when you calculate area of triangle, you need half times base times height. Correct? So which numbers here is suitable as the base and the height? Oh no. Oh yeah, correct. Yeah. Because I was thinking why I thought the 8 I selected 8 as the right answer or something like that. No, yeah, correct. Okay. So why is it not 7 and 6? Because like what I mentioned earlier, right? Triangle is half times the base times the height. Okay, so if you do half times 7 times 6, you actually get 21, not 42. But only when you do half times 7 times 12, that is what going to give you 42. Okay? Yeah, so the 8 of you got it correct, probably you'll be jumping your ranks. Okay, now we got an Asian elephant at 2,902 and an aquatic giraffe at 2,877. Alright, the game pin is at the top here, 107506. 107506. Alright, so if you guys ever see the screen where they say reconnecting, right? Okay, in case you all see the screen that shows reconnecting, don't close and refresh or anything like that, because when you do that, you will be exit from the game. You just wait for it to actually reconnect and you can continue with the current points that you have, because if you go out and come in, it will reset your points. Okay, now question 4. Which of the following are the length and breadth of a rectangle with a perimeter of 60 cm? Now is perimeter of 60 cm. Yes, this is P5 math. Okay, but if you are in P6 also, why not? You can join in and learn something and practice something like I was saying. Yeah. Alright, so 60 cm. We are looking for which of these length and breadth that can give you a perimeter of 60 cm. Okay, not area anymore here. The game code is 107506. You must think back. How do you find a perimeter? And which of these will give you 60 cm as the perimeter? Come on guys, let's not put answers on the chat. Okay, you may accidentally give the wrong answer and people may accidentally select the wrong answer. How? Today we'll be having 10 questions. Okay, the last 2 will be problem sums where you can use calculator later. Okay? Alright, 45 more seconds. Let's go. Okay? Think about it again. What is the formula, or how do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? How? Perimeter of a rectangle. 20 more seconds. Okay, which of these can be the length and breadth of a rectangle with a perimeter of 60 cm? How? Which one? Alright, very good. Okay, yes. Answer is 12 and 18. Why? Because when you're finding perimeter, right, you are multiplying 2 times the length plus the breadth. So 12 plus 18 is 30, times 2 become 60. Okay? Let's go. So now the top place is held by the Asian elephant with 3,892 points. Okay? Alright, and then something interesting at the bottom. You can see that the bots are actually playing also. Scary. Okay, so next, let's go to the next question. What is the area of the triangle below? This triangle, what is the area? Which one? Is it 38? Is it 34? Is it 77? Or is it 38.5? Alright, yeah, Dila, as long, I hope, as long as it doesn't show up on the podium, I guess you are fine. Which one? Is it 38, 34, 77, 38.5? Which one? Okay, which one? Is it the purple one? Or the pink one? Or the white one? Which one? Okay, remember area of triangle is half times the base times the height. Length times breadth is for rectangle, not for triangle. Yes, that's why I told you just now, if it's reconnecting, right, don't exit. Yes, you can. Okay, go to www.kahoot.it and enter 107506. Okay, 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yes, the answer is 38.5. Okay, you don't have to round down or round up. Okay, and at the same time, remember, length times breadth, okay, or if you take the base times the height, that one is if it's a rectangle. But now it's a triangle, so you must use half times base times height. Okay? Okay, now we still have the aquatic giraffe at number 1 spot. Very good. Okay, so we're at the middle point here. So a bit of promotion lah. Okay, so we are from MasterMaths, and basically we provide tuition services focusing on math from P1 all the way to O level. Okay, so we are also doing science for primary school students, so from primary 3 to primary 6. Okay, and there's also a class for English. So if you're looking for any of these subjects, help with any of these subjects, and you match the level, okay, you can sign up for a free trial. You can go to mastermaths.com.sg, okay, and look at all our location and sign up for a free trial. No, there's no Chinese yet at the moment. Okay, yeah, okay, so you can go to our website. There's also 4 different physical locations: Tampines, Farrer Park, Jurong East, and Woodlands. And there's also a 5th option for online. Okay, you can also sign up for online classes for any of these 4 locations plus a 5th location. All right. Okay, all the best, Idris. Okay, you just need to answer a little bit faster, you can beat the first place today. Yes, okay, so Sec 1, Sec 3, we have classes for all of that, especially for math. Alright. No, not the Jurong East Library, it's the one at Chinese Garden MRT opposite there. Yeah, so this is one of the money question. Given the cost to tile a floor area of is $1.25 per meter square. Okay? And then what is the cost to tile a square with sides measuring 12 meter? Okay? A square floor area with sides measuring 12 meter. Okay? The floor or the room is square shaped. Okay, so it's not just about finding the area, but also about finding the cost to tile that area. Okay, what is the meaning of tile? Tile means like you fix the tile. Okay, you know what's a tile? That square ceramic thing that you see in rooms, in houses and all that. Okay, that's a square tile. Okay. Okay, the answer this time round may or may not be blue. may or may not be blue. Okay. For myself, I'm usually either at Jurong East or Tampines. Okay, Idris, that's may or may not be the answer. Okay, because it is a square. Okay, so what's the area of the square? And then if the cost is $1.25 per meter square, then how? Brown. Where do you find the brown option? Is it like a cheat code? You enter the cheat code, then come out a brown option where it's confirmed correct, is it? Purple. Okay lah, there's purple on the screen lah. You can tap the purple on the screen. Okay, but in the meantime, go to your TikTok screen. Keep on tapping that screen also, okay? Give us the likes also. And in the meantime also, do share with your friends. Ask them to join the Kahoot also. Okay? Okay, 40 more seconds. I hope by now you already got your area of the square already. Then after that, we need to find the cost. Okay, so when you win, again, you'll be later I'll show you like a QR code that you can scan. Then you can scan and you can claim your prize via a form. Okay, you can need to fill up a form, submit the screenshot of your placing, your first place screenshot, then you can get the prize. Alright, yes, okay, so when you calculate the area, 12 times 12, right? Then you multiply by $1.25 and you will get $180. Okay, so for those who just joined, alright, go and get another device. Go to www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 107506. Okay, for those who just joined, take this time, come on and join us on Kahoot also. We have 4 more questions. Okay, all ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see the podium. We got the lucky egret that jumped to the first spot. Then we got the desert rooster at second place. Okay, and we got a creative turtle there also. Now, only the first place. Given the following figure made up of one rectangle and 2 identical triangles, find the area. Alright, if you see here, the 16 is the measurement of one triangle and one rectangle, and the 12 is the measurement of one of the rectangle only. Okay, and we need to find the area of this whole figure. Okay, we need to find the area of the whole figure. Okay, 1 more minute for you to calculate the area of this whole figure. So must remember, area of triangle is half times base times height. Area of rectangle is length times breadth. Okay, technically the length is the base is the same as the length, depending on how you see it lah. Okay, and the height is the breadth. Okay. Okay, 30 more seconds for you to calculate and select your answer. $26, $23, $22. Press the wrong one. Oh no. That's the thing about Kahoot. The choices are quite like close to each other, right, on your phone, and then you may accidentally just like tap accidentally to the right, or accidentally to the bottom, or to the top. Oh, it's like equally divided. Okay, we got 29 of you that selected the red one, 29 of you that selected the blue ones. Why is there so many? 29, 29, 54. No, 58. 58 plus 60. Wow, that's like, the bots are really a lot. Okay, now let's go to the podium. The desert rooster took over the first spot. Okay, good job, good job. And we got the bull backs at 6,593. Okay, now question 10 is a double point question. The figure below is made up of a square, a rectangle, and a triangle. Okay, find the area of the following figure. Alright, you can see here the triangle. I purposely marked with two lines there, right? Meaning that the height and the base of the triangle are the same. Okay, they want to improve their math lah, Dila. That's why. You see, even bots are very hardworking. Okay, don't worry, Alicia. Practice, practice. Okay, we got 2 minutes plus. Okay, you can choose to find the areas individually, or you can look at the square and the rectangle as a full rectangle, followed by adding the triangle. Or you can look also at the square and the rectangle as a 1.5 of a square, because a triangle is like half of it, right? So it's like 1.5. Okay. Alright, so which one? Which one? Okay, is it the red, the blue, the yellow, or the green? Why is people saying red? Why? Idris, are you sure it is red? Are you sure? Because you see the 14 and the 20, they are not the length or breadth. I mean, like, they are lengths lah, but they are not a breadth. Oh, you are tricking people. Okay, okay. Yeah, if you see the brown option on your screen, okay, why not give it a try? Maybe it's the confirm correct option. Okay? It's like a cheat code like that. Alright, no worries, you join halfway also. The main thing is you get to learn something today, okay? And then next time, just take note. Once you follow us, okay? Follow us, because when you follow us, you'll be notified whenever we go live. So, you can just, once you see the notification, you can join immediately. And even join the Kahoot also. And joining earlier means you stand a chance of winning the voucher. Okay? What is it teacher say one? Oh, brown. Only if you see the option on your screen. Okay, 10 more seconds. So if you are in uni, but what degree are you doing? Okay, yes, 34 of you got it correct. I see what you mean there. Brown color, you say click on teacher. Okay. Okay, the ranking stays the same. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, now we are at the second last question. Okay, I give you some time to read this problem sum first. Then after this, you will have time to solve it. When I click next, you can continue to solve it. And then after that, you can write your answer. Okay. So in this question, they start off with an equal number of children attended Camp A and Camp B, followed by the fraction of the number of girls in Camp A was 5/14, and the fraction of number of girls in Camp B was 4/5. Altogether, there were 132 more girls than boys. So what does this mean, right? Is that the amount of girls combined in A and B is 132 more than the combined of the boys from A and B. Okay? And how many children were there in both camps? Not exactly plus at the moment. Okay? There's something that you need to do first. Using this hint, equal number of children attended Camp A and Camp B. That's the clue. An equal number of children attended Camp A and Camp B. Alright? Okay, now let's go into the question. Okay? So since this is a number question, okay, you don't need to put any units lah, okay. So like I said just now, the hint here is that there are an equal number of children that attended Camp A and Camp B. Okay, Dila is after this, and the fraction of number of girls in Camp A was 5/14. So what about the boys? Okay. And then when you look at the fraction, right, which of it is the amount for the number of pupils in that camp? Is it the numerator or is it the denominator? Okay. So if they are supposed to be equal, what should you do to either the numerator or the denominator? Alright, this is a bit challenging lah for today. Okay, then eventually they compare the difference where there were 132 more girls than boys. The game pin is 107506. 107506. Okay, like I said just now, the hint here is about equal number of children attended Camp A and Camp B. So it's about the children that attends Camp A, right? So which one is is it the numerator or denominator that is about the number of children that attended Camp A? And then for Camp B also the same. So once I identified that, that is the one I need to make the same. Okay, 1 minute and 40 seconds more. One and a half more minutes. Alright, this is a equivalent fraction question. Okay. Don't worry, later after the Kahoot I'll go through, okay? Especially this question. The other questions I feel they are quite straightforward when we go through the solutions later, but I'll spend more time in this question later, okay? Okay, we got less than 1 more minute. Oh no, what's the careless mistake? You put random. Okay, but your random, is it 3 digit or 4 digits, or you put 2 digit? Bayalah, if 3 digit, okay lah. Got chance lah, got chance. Okay, 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds. Alright, for those who haven't put in your answers, come on. Just do it. Just try your best. And but of course, don't anyhow random lah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3 of you selected 840. Very good. Okay, I hope this 3 of you is not the bots. By any chance, anybody guessed 840? Nobody. Oh, the top scorer is the one who is one of those who got the points. Very good. I think another one is Stella Dove. Okay, good job, good job. Okay, the top scorer today has just secured his position. And question 10, Azmi bought 2 pizzas, 4 lemon teas, and 6 pieces of garlic bread. According to the price list below, how much change will he receive if he paid $100? Okay, we are asking for the change, not the total price. Okay, and this is a money question, so best to put your dollar signs, don't forget. And I only accept dollar sign lah, don't put pound or RM, all that don't put, okay? Okay, 3 more minutes. 5 of you already answered, very good. Come on, what about the rest? $170 more seconds. 7 of you already answered. Come on, what about the rest? Remember, it's 2 pizzas, 4 lemon tea, and 6 pieces of garlic bread. Okay, then if you see the price list, 1 pizza costs $14.50, 1 lemon tea costs $2.10, and 1 garlic bread costs $3.50. You are lucky, Idris. Okay, Idris, you are lucky. Okay, about 2 more minutes. Okay, about 2 more minutes. Okay, those that are here, if you are new, do follow us. Alright, so the next time that we go on live, you'll be notified and you'll be able to join. Okay, at the same time also, you can search for us on YouTube. Okay, you can go to YouTube and search for MasterMathTV and you'll get to see our past live recordings also. At the same time, there's this Telegram group here. You can see here at the top here, MasterMaths PSLE. You can join our Telegram group to get more resources to improve your math. Okay. There is also a Master Math Secondary for all those secondary students here. Okay, another Telegram group lah. Okay. Is this the only way to get prizes? There are other live they will be having. Okay, like there is the Tuesday P6 and Wednesday P5. There will be also some 2 weeks once we'll be having science live. Okay, and during the weekends we have secondary school math live. Okay. Okay, 1 more minute. 1 more minute. All right. Are you sure it's $41.06? $30 more seconds. Are you sure that's the answer? $20 more seconds. So what happened if it's the wrong one? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, the answer is $41.60. Okay, in case you forgot to put $sign, it is also accepted just for this. Especially if there's a spacing, also be accepted just for this Kahoot. Okay, so good job. 9 of you actually wrote down the correct answer. Okay, so in the meantime, if you think that you may be the top scorer for today, you can also scan this QR code. Okay, or take a screenshot and save first. Okay, why? Because you need to scan this QR code later. At the same time, you need to take a screenshot of your position later. Okay, when it's announced, right? If you are the top scorer, you'll be seeing the number 1 and your points and your name, right? Take a screenshot of that screen because you need to upload in the form later. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Alright, don't leave first because I'll go through the solution after this. In the meantime also, again, if you want to find out more about us, about our classes, where we are at, you can go to mastermath.com.sg. Okay, now let's see the podium. Number 3, we have the amazing owl. Number 2, we have the bullbacks. And number 1, is it the rooster? Yes, congratulations, Desert Rooster. Okay, so Desert Rooster, remember to take a screenshot on your device. Okay, yeah, and also scan that QR code just now. Alright, so let me show you the QR code again. Okay, so the Desert Rooster, you need to scan this QR code. Okay, and then submit your screenshot. Alright, okay, congratulations, congratulations. Alright, now let's go to the solution. Alright, so the first few questions are quite easy, I would say. Factors of 16, I list down the factors, and only 8 is the one that is in both the numbers and also in the option. Alright, so that's why I selected. That's why 8 is the answer. Okay, and not 4 or 2, even though 4 and 2 are also a common factor of 16 and 32. Okay, this one is also one of the easier questions because we know that 9 times 7 is 63. Question 3, we need to do our calculation for half times base times height. So you see, I do a half times 7 times 6, I get 21. But only when I do half times 7 times 12, I cancel the 2 and the 12. 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, and then for perimeter, right, is 2 times your length plus breadth, or length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. And you will see that the 12 and 18 will give me 60. Alright, okay, any questions you have, feel free to put in the chat. Okay, and then what is the area of triangle below? Okay, this triangle, this is the base, and then this is the height. That's why half times 11 times 7. So 17 is 7, divide by 2, we will get 38.5. Alright, and then question 6 was the cost to tile the floor, right? Okay, so what we can do is, firstly 12 times 12 is 144, then 1.25 times 144, we get $180. Okay, and question 7, yeah, so like I said, we firstly need to find what's the base here, because we already know the height is 7. So 16 minus 12 is 4, and 12 times 7 is this area of this rectangle here, plus 2 times, why 2 times? Because there's 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle. 2 times half times 4 times 7. So I cancel the 2 and this 2. 4 times 7 is 28. When I plus these 2 together, I will get 112 cm square. Alright. Okay, same goes with question 8 also. I find the sides of this square first, because this is equal to this and equal to this. So the rectangle, or this big rectangle here, I treat it as like a combined rectangle, and I will get 20 times 6 plus half times 6 times 6. So 120 plus 18 equals to 138. Okay, remember here I'm combining the rectangle and the square with the triangle. Okay, so I'm finding the rectangle and the triangle. Alright, thank you for following. So this one was the one that just now a lot of you got it wrong, right? Okay, so what I did is I separated Chem A and Chem B first. Okay, so Chem A was boys is 9 over 14 and girls is 5 over 14. Alright, same thing here, 1 over 5 and 4 over 5. Because of equal number of children attended Chem A and Chem B, what I needed to do is make the denominators the same. Okay, that's why here I times 5 times 5, here I times 14 times 14. And I ended up with 45 and 25, 14 and 56. So I treat them as units. Okay, so the girls, which is 25 and 56, I plus together, I got 81. And the boys, 45 and 14, I plus together, I get 59. Because they give us the difference here, I take the units in terms of difference also. So 22 units is 132. I find 1 unit, I got 6. They're asking for both chem. That's why 70 plus 70. 140 equals to 140 times 6. Okay? Alright, I hope question 9 was easy to understand. Okay, now let's go to question 10. Question 10 is easier lah. You are just finding the cost, then after that you find the change. So the 2 pizza is $29. The 4 lemon tea is $8.40. The 6 garlic bread is $21. And we add all of this up, we get $58.40. And lastly, $100 minus $58.40, we got $41.60. Alright, so that's it for today. Congratulations again for those who joined, and for those who for the one who win today, and at the same time congratulations also for those who learned something new today or managed to practice something today. Alright, for those who just joined, we are actually at the end, but do follow us. Okay, go press the plus button, and at the same time you'll be notified whenever we have a future live going on. Alright, for those in secondary school, you can actually look out for our live during weekends. Alright, if there's nothing else, thank you everyone, and see you all next week. Okay, bye bye.